Let's start with frying the bacon until it's crispy enough, depending on your preference. All the ingredients are in the description below, so please check that out. When you think it's crispy enough, set the bacon aside. We'll keep the yummy bacon oil and then just add a bit of olive oil before you add your onions. Once the onions are cooked, you can add your diced chicken breast. Just keep on stirring the chicken with the onions until all the chicken is cooked. After that, you can add the cooking cream and turn down the heat to low so you don't burn it. Then quickly add 2 eggs in the middle and then whisk it. You have to whisk the eggs quickly so you don't get the solid egg yolks or egg whites. I think some people whisk the eggs in a separate bowl first, but I'm just used to doing it this way. Just make sure that you spread out the egg yolk as evenly as you can. Once you can barely see the eggs, you can add salt and pepper. While still on low heat, keep scraping the bottom of the pan so that your white sauce doesn't stick to it. To make the sauce thicker, it's time to add cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. Just keep stirring until all your cheese is melted. Again, make sure your sauce is not sticking to the pan and creating those solid bits. Now it's time to add the crispy bacon and mix it with your white sauce. Turn off your stovetop and then add your cooked pasta. Now start mixing your pasta with your yummy carbonara sauce. If you think your carbonara is a bit watery, you can turn on the stovetop again on low heat and wait until the water or excess evaporates. You can add parsley to add a bit of color, but you're already ready to serve. Quick shout out to the following recent subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will be doing random shout outs of new subscribers, so make sure that you like and subscribe to this video.